Hi everyone, my name is Sophia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Ana Luisa video on Ana Luisa jewelry. I can't talk today. I'm so excited to show you guys the pieces that they have sent me for Mother's Day, and this is going to be a Mother's Day inspired gift video, but also a styling of the Ana Luisa jewelry that I got. So yeah. Right at the top of my description box, you will see a link where you could buy one, get one 40% off of Ana Luisa jewelry. You can buy one for you, get one for your mom, and just share in the beautiful Ana Luisa jewelry that we have in store for you. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of the jewelry and then a styling of one of the pieces, because I'm so excited to style it because it is absolutely gorgeous. So this is what the Ana Luisa packaging looks like when you open it up. It has reusable packaging with the jewelry and a recyclable box, so you can be sure that this is a sustainable brand. It's a carbon neutral brand, and it's really important to think of those things when you are creating a brand. So I'm very thankful that they thought of these things and then they helped and thought of me to promote them. So yeah, let's get right into unboxing them and showing you guys what is in these pouches, because they are so cute. I love the little pouches. I think they're great. They're reusable. You can put anything you want in them. Coins, coin purse, more jewelry, all your jewelry, whatever you really want in these pouches. So this is what it looks like. The first pieces that I got are these absolutely stunning earrings. They look like this. They are the Henna Sunset earrings, and they have the design on both sides, which I love, here on this side and this side. It's the same design, and I love that because sometimes, you know, your earrings get stuck or whatever, caught behind your hair, and you only see like one side of your earrings that are like completely gold, when there's this beautiful and stunning and gorgeous pattern on the back, and you just are missing out on it. So I love that they thought of that and just put it on both sides. I don't know, that's just like a little thing that I thought of when I saw these, and I was like, that's really smart. And hopefully they have my same thinking, or I'm just crazy or whatever. But if you're not thinking this, Ana Luisa, you should be, and you did, so whatever. Anyways, this is what they look like. Again, so beautiful, so pretty. They have such vibrant and pretty colors, and I am really excited to style these and work with these for my next look. Next, I have another pair of earrings, and these are absolutely stunning as well. They look like this. They are little crystals on chains, and they're the Avery earrings. They're so pretty. I love them. They're very dainty and minimalistic, and that's the good thing about Ana Luisa, is that they have minimalistic jewelry as well for people who are more minimalistic, and they have more vibrant and fun statement pieces for people who are into that, or if you're into both, you can have both and relish in it. And if you have my code, you have buy one and get one 40% off, so you can get both and have both styles for yourself. Or for your mom. Let's not forget moms out there, you guys, because they do a lot for us. And lastly, I have this pouch here. I love this pouch. It's such a pretty color. I mean, they're all really beautiful colors. But yeah, I love this pouch. And this is a bracelet that I picked out, and it's the Aura bracelet, and it looks like this. It's just a really pretty bracelet that's all gold, and it's kind of just like to resemble a watch, but without the face of a watch. And I really like that. I think it's super unique and different, and I love that it's like a statement piece, and it'll look great on your wrist. So yeah, and the special thing about the Aura bracelet is that they thought of everything, and they put extra links in your pouch. When you get it, you will get extra links of the Aura bracelet, because this one actually didn't fit me. It was a little too snug on my wrist and it wouldn't close, so I was able to put the links on and put the bracelet on with no problem. So yeah, great. Thanking Ana Luisa again, just thinking of everything, you guys. So now I thought that I would style something with the bracelet and the Henna Sunset earrings, just because I have kind of an idea of what I want to do. And I'm going to keep this bodysuit on. It's just white bodysuit from Shein, and I'm going to keep it on just because I want the earrings and the bracelet to speak for themselves. I want a basic outfit, colorful but basic, and I want the earrings to speak for themselves and do the talking, because I honestly think these are so pretty and they should not go unnoticed. So I'm gonna do that, and I think I have an idea. So let's go to my closet. Alright, this is the outfit that I came up with. I think it looks really, really pretty. You can't really see the shoes, but it doesn't really matter because the important part is up here and over here. I have the Aura bracelet on with the Hannah Sunset earrings, and I think it looks really, really pretty. I'm going to get really close to you guys in a second and show you guys it. But I think the outfit turned out great. I think it's just a plain outfit, but with the jewelry, I feel like it adds something and it just emphasizes the jewelry. So I really like it, and I think it's cute. And also the makeup that I did, I think balances it all out too. So yeah. And here are the earrings, and here is the bracelet, and it's so pretty. I literally love it. I think they're so pretty and dainty, but also colorful and vibrant and fun. So I think they're just a great option, and I love the Avery earrings as well. They're so, so pretty. All right, and that's it for the video. I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching me style these pieces and unbox these pieces. I had a lot of fun doing so, and again, go check out the link in my bio or in my description with the information for these pieces and for the coupon code, because you will be missing out if you don't check it out, because genuinely these are really, really good quality and beautiful pieces. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day, night, week, month, year, life, and yeah, bye guys.